What's up, everyone? Hope you're having a beautiful day. Let's check out some of the products we unboxed in our previous video. Okay, let's get to it. First up, we have these adorable slow-rebound squishy latte cups. Now, these are seriously cute. However, we have some imperfections. It seems like these may have been hand-painted because quite a few of them have black paint on the yellow cup. And honestly, that's something you probably wouldn't want if you're planning on gifting these or reselling them. I'm going to show you a few more. There are actually a few that are damaged, but I'll just show you a couple for now. Hopefully, you guys can see the black paint around the cup. Yeah. I was super disappointed with these. Sorry guys, but for me, that's a thumbs down. Now, this was my very first order from Everfull Wholesale, so let's see how the other products turned out. Next up, we have the tooth and toothbrush set. And I have to say, the quality on these is actually really good. Other than this small black speck at the bottom, the overall quality is great. These would be perfect for oral hygiene demonstrations, especially for teaching kids about brushing and taking care of their teeth. So this one is definitely a thumbs up for me. And here is the Bluetooth set. Super cute. Now, let's get to the popcorn. Okay, so overall, I was a little confused about the labeling. It seems like the label was supposed to be stuck directly onto the squishy or somewhere on the outside of the package, but instead, it looks like the label is actually stuck inside the wrapper. Here's another one where the popcorn label is exactly where I would expect it to be. Now, if you look closely, you can see the label is stuck to the inside of the package, while the actual product doesn't have a label on it at all. So, although these popcorn slow rebound squishies are super adorable, the labeling definitely wasn't done very well. The quality of the squishy itself is good. My only issue is the label. So for the popcorn, I'm going to have to give this one a thumb in the middle. The product gets a thumbs up, but the labeling definitely needs some work. Now, here are the famous bananas. Y'all, these are so realistic. The texture, the realistic banana pattern, the overall quality, they did not lack on this product. These were made extremely well. In fact, I had to order more because my family claimed the previous ones from the last unboxing. So this is an easy thumbs up for me. These are definitely one of my favorites. And don't forget to show the channel some love. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews. Next up, we have these cute little baby bottle squishies. Now, these are pretty small, so they don't have a huge rebound effect, but they're still adorable. For the baby bottles, I'm giving them a thumbs up. All right, y'all. Look at these cute little cake slices. These have a nice rebound and they are super adorable. However, I think these would actually be better for decorating. The decorations on top aren't squishy. They're more on the solid side. So I think these would work best as decorative pieces rather than something you would constantly squeeze. But overall, I'm still giving the cake slices a thumbs up. And now we have the famous yellow squishy butter. I ordered 100 of these, and out of that 100, around 5 of them have little black spots. But overall, I would say my experience with the butter squishies was a thumbs up. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out another one of my unboxing reviews. I hope you enjoyed seeing what worked, what didn't, and everything in between. Make sure you stay tuned for the next unboxing and review. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show the channel some love. All right, y'all, bye.